Advice on how to make money on cars from somebody who knows nothing about making money on cars. So a while ago, and you guys will have known this for those of you who follow me, I bought a Mercedes SLS, a beautiful car, low mileage. I bought it from Mark Motors here in New Brunswick, Texas. They're an amazing luxury dealer. If you buy luxury cars, you obviously know who they are. I very quickly realized it wasn't a daily driver for me. I enjoyed it. I love the brand. I love Mercedes. I love AMG, but it wasn't a driver's car, and I drive cars a lot. And the reason it wasn't a driver's car is that once you put a certain amount of miles on that vehicle, it's really becomes very difficult to move in and out of. They don't trade very quickly, and so I had to figure out what I was gonna do in order to kind of trade myself out of that car for cash, right? So I called up Mark Motors. I said, hey, I have this SLS, and at that time, by the way, car prices were going up. So I actually traded it in for a profit, got a Lamborghini Huracan because I knew that a Lamborghini Huracan would trade very quickly. Ended up taking possession of the Lamborghini Huracan. By the way, I posted a ton of content with that Lamborghini, did very well on social media, so made money there. And then what I did is I sold the Lamborghini Huracan, which by the way sold in 10 days after I listed it. So if you are looking to make money in cars, there's a cool strategy. That's something that I did. If you feel like you're stuck with an exotic car that doesn't trade well or that doesn't sell well, trade out of it into something that does, maybe a Lambo or a G-Wagon, and then sell that car to get your cash quick.